Hey guys, Assalamualikum, hello, hi, and once again welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And today we are going to see a crab recipe because winter is coming up and we all need to work on our immune system. Agree, right? Crab has some amazing health benefits. Of course, during this winter we are looking forward to increase our immune system. Let me just tell you why crab is because it will help you to improve your immunity and protect you against any kind of heart problems, any kind of common cold and cough and flu and kind of stuff. Because it has omega-3 fatty acids, it's rich in selenium, it's rich in riboflavin, iron, zinc, copper, calcium, you name it, you will find it in crab. So crab is the right food to consume for the winter and increase your immune system. I think that lesson is done. Let's start with the recipe. So here you go, guys. This is the crab and I have cleaned it up. I'm sure many of you know how to clean it. So if you want to know how to clean it, please leave a message in the comment section. I would definitely share a video soon on that as well. I'm first going to chop one large tomato finely and add it to a blender along with 1 cup of coriander leaves and blend it into a fine puree. And also chop one medium-sized onion. And I'm going to take a nice big pot in which I can cook my crabs easily, and they have to have enough of space to cook. Add oil and few garam masalas. Ingredient in the description box, please have a look, along with few curry leaves. Once you saute them, you just add the chopped onions and fry the onions until they are translucent. Once they turn translucent, add ginger garlic paste and mix this well and cook for about 2 minutes, and then you add the puree to it. Now mix this and cook the puree alone for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see the oil is oozing out of it. As you can see, the oil oozes out. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, pepper powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel powder, garam masala and some salt. Mix all this together and again let this cook with the closed lid for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see the oil is oozing out. Once you see the oil is oozing out once again, you can add the crabs to it. Here I'm adding first the crab's body and mixing it well together. Then I'll be adding in the crab's legs and some water and mix all well and close it. This will not take much time to cook, but we want the gravy to be nicely cooked and the flavor has to infuse well together. So close and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes and then keep a track of the gravy until the gravy gets the consistency which you are looking in for. Keep cooking it. And before you could end up switching it off, you need to add the lemon extract along with some nicely fine chopped coriander leaves. Mix all this together and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes and then your crab curry is ready. This can also be served as a soup, or you can also have it with any kind of Indian breads, even with rice, steamed rice as well, or zira rice or ghee rice. So you are going to love the flavor of this crab. Especially the meat of the crab is very juicy and it's very delicious, as I told you, filled with lots of nutrients, and you should definitely try this during this winter. Serve your crabs and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. There's still lots more to come with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus, and there's also something very special I would like to share with you all in the next video. Till then, you take care. Allah Hafiz.